Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be making a snowman Sherpa wreath. And here are the things that you are going to need for this project. You are going to need a work wreath from Dollar Tree, a scarf also from Dollar Tree. I am going to use one of these little witch hats as the nose from Dollar Tree. And then also these eyeballs will be his eyes, and my son spray painted them black for me. Some buttons for his mouth. You'll need your scissors, hot glue gun and glue sticks, zip ties, and some pliers for this project. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take the Sherpa, and I don't know if I said this or not, but I purchased a yard of this Sherpa, and I am going to spread it out on its backside, and I am going to take my work wreath and I am going to take and gather it around nice and smooth, and then I'm going to take my zip tie and tie it off. So give me just a minute and we'll be right back. Okay, we have the zip tie around the back of the wreath, and we cut off the extra, and my daughter did some hot gluing around the edges to make sure it would all stay. And she is also taking a paper plate, or you can use cardboard, and going around the edges, and she's going to place it right here on the back. Okay, we also glued a little piece of ribbon to the top on back so that we could hang it up. And we don't have these glued on yet. We were just playing with them to make sure we had them in place like we like them. So I think it looks pretty cute, so we're going to hot glue these down. Okay, here it is with the eyes, nose, and mouth glued on, and I just cut a strip for the scarf and hot glued it on both sides, and right in the center before I hot glued it, I kind of made a loop, kind of make it look like it had a knot, and let the other piece hang down so that both ends had fringe to kind of make it look like it's tied around his neck. I also added some blush, and we made this little hat for him. We cut a Cool Whip container in half, and then I just cut a piece of the scarf and hot glued it to the Cool Whip container to make his little hat. And just be extra careful when you are using hot glue. Try not to burn yourself. But I think he turned out really cute, and it was real inexpensive to make. And I'm just trying to show you, it doesn't show up on camera too well, the way I kind of did the little knot. It's not really a knot, but it kind of has that appearance. And then I just glued it on the side. It looks like I need to add a little bit more hot glue. But I just glued both sides down. And I like the addition of adding some blush to it too. I thought that was a cute idea. My daughter thought that was cute too. And we just thought he needed a top hat. So I like the way his scarf and his hat match. So just about everything was from Dollar Tree. So thank you for watching.